Now that we have seen all the relation when it comes to Entity Framework Core, let me summarize them real quick. First, we saw one-to-one relation in which in the book table, we only have the object of book detail, and in book detail, we have the book ID followed by the navigation property for the book class, and we will have the foreign key data annotation where in the parameter we have to pass the navigation property which is book. Then for one-to-many relation, the foreign key reference and the navigation property, we will add that in a class, and in the other one we will have a public list of books rather than single that we have in one-to-one. After that, for many-to-many relation, if we want to skip the mapping table, then in book we need a collection of author. We can call that as book author or whatever we want. And then in author class we will have an I collection of book. EF Core will automatically create the mapping table in this case. If we want to do manual mapping, which we had to do before .NET 5, then first we need to create a mapping class book author with book ID and author ID, and in there we will have one-to-many relation. So we have foreign key for both of them and the navigation property. In the individual classes, we will have an I collection or list of book author. And finally, for the primary key of book author, we will use Fluent API and we will define on both book ID and author ID. So I hope that gives you a brief idea how we can map one-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many relation.